Hey y'all, let me show you how I do my chocolate cobbler. Oh yeah. Alright, I got my baking dish. This is equivalent to a 9 by 13. We're just going to take 1 stick of butter. And I'm using salted butter. And I've just let it it's just been sitting out at room temp. Just get that rubbed off in there. Alright, we're going to get this over into a 350-degree oven and let this melt. Alright, now we're going to mix together our batter. I got 2 cups of self-rising flour. Got 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Right. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa and 1 cup of whole milk. I'm just going to take my electric mixer and get those mixed together. Alright, so we've got that mixed up. We're just going to set that to the side. Alright, so we got 2 cups of sugar. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of our cocoa. And then we're going to take a whisk. We're just going to get that cocoa and sugar mixed well. Butter's good and melted. Alright, now we're going to take our batter and we're going to get it on, just spooned on top of the butter. We don't want to mix it. Just want to spoon it over. Now that we got our batter over into our butter, we're just going to take our cocoa and sugar mixture and just sprinkle it all over the top. Alright, now that we got that mixture on there, very carefully we're going to take 3 cups of boiling water and pour all over the top. We're not going to mix. Alright, we're going to get this back into our 350-degree oven. Alright, back in the oven we go. Alright y'all, it's been 35 minutes. This is what our cobbler looks like. Now I'm going to let mine sit for about 15-20 minutes so everything sets up, and then we'll take us a bite. Yep. Now when you dip it, it's going to look like that. You're going to have a little bit of chocolate sauce in there. And I like to serve mine up with some ice cream. Oh yeah. Lord mercy, that's good.